Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kelvin here. In this video, I will show you how to use peer-to-peer on Binance to buy your favorite cryptos like Bitcoin or Shiba Inu, whichever you want to bet your life savings on. Definitely not financial advice. Please don't do that, yeah? I will tell you how to sign up, then buy cryptos via peer-to-peer, and if you are not a hodler, you have paper hands, I will also tell you how to sell cryptos via peer-to-peer. Finally, I will give you some tips and tricks on using Binance. So let's not waste any time and let's start right now. So if you don't have a Binance account yet, you will need to sign up first. Obviously, if you need a referral link, you can scroll down to the description, then click on the Binance link to sign up. Immediately after you sign up, you'll be able to log in. Wow, much fast! But if you try to do anything, they will ask you to enable 2FA and do some verification. So do that first. You will need to have intermediate verification to access peer-to-peer features. You can either use your IC, passport, or driver's license to verify. Maybe this is the only time that we will get to use our passports for the next few years, eh? Anyway, the review time will take about 10 days to complete. So just sit back, relax, and hope that your Bitcoin doesn't hit 100k in 10 days time.
Several days later.
Alright, your account is finally approved and you are ready to YOLO all your money into the cryptos like a boss. Also, not financial advice, only invest what you can lose, yeah? In Binance, at the top left side, mouse over buy crypto, change the currency to SGD, then click peer-to-peer trading. So, just in case you don't know what's peer-to-peer, basically everyone here is another person. Think of it like carousel, where you can buy and sell cryptos with another person. You will notice that there's only 6 cryptos you can buy here: USDT, BTC, BUSD, Binance Coin, ETH, and DAI. Then you might ask, but what about my Toki coin? I want my Toki coin! Okay, I'll show you how to convert your cryptos to that later. For now, you will need to convert your SGD into one of these cryptos first. I'll show you how to buy BNB, but you can choose any cryptos that you want to buy. So I will click on BNB, then enter how much I want to convert. Let's start with $1 million. Just kidding, I sell 2 kidneys, also don't have that much money. So let's start with $100 first. If you need to filter the options, you can click on search, make sure this is in SGD. Okay, you'll see that the rates are sorted from the best rate to the worst rate. The yellow tag here means that this person is a verified merchant. If he doesn't have a tag, then he's a regular person like me and you. The orders here means how many orders he has done. So this guy has done 1000 over orders and he has completed 99.83% of orders, which is very high. You can see he has 2.3 BNB available to exchange and is willing to change $100 to $600 per transaction. He accepts Pay Now. Some other people accept Google Pay, Paylah, Pay Now. Anyway, click on Buy BNB to buy. Enter in how much SGD you want to use. I'll use $100 as mentioned, and I'll be receiving around 0.22 BNB. Click Buy BNB. Here, you will see some super long warning. Basically, it just tells you to be careful lah. Minimize the warning. So this guy needs me to tell him my phone number, which I will tell him. He then told me his PayNow number through WhatsApp. Next, I just transfer the money to him via PayNow. Then in Binance, click on Transfer. Next. Then tick to confirm. Then click Confirm. When the order is completed, Binance will show that it has been completed. You will also receive an SMS that tells you the peer-to-peer order has been completed. Next, I will show you how to convert your crypto to get the crypto that you want. In Binance, mouse over Trade, click Convert. I want to convert my BNB into BTC, so change it to BNB. Bottom is already BTC, so I don't have to do anything. I have 0 BNB? Why I thought I received BNB? That's when I got a mini heart attack. But don't worry, let me show you why. Mouse over wallet, click peer-to-peer. So we actually have 2 kinds of wallets: fiat and spot wallet and peer-to-peer wallet. Whatever cryptos that's transferred through peer-to-peer will end up in peer-to-peer wallet. If I click show, you will see that the BNB is in peer-to-peer wallet. So let's click transfer to transfer it to fiat and spot wallet. Click max to transfer everything, then confirm. Okay, let's go back to convert, choose BNB again. You will see that I have 0.22 BNB now. Click max to convert everything, then click convert. Congrats, now you are a proud owner of Bitcoin. So that was how to convert your cryptos. Okay, let's say you have paper hands and you want to sell all your cryptos and withdraw your money. Let me show you how. In Binance, mouse over buy crypto, click peer-to-peer trading, click on sell. Again, you can only sell these 6 cryptos in peer-to-peer. I'll just show you how to do it for BUSD because I want to hoard my BTC. Make sure SGD is selected, otherwise you might get some Wakanda currency instead. I will just use the first guy because he has the best exchange rate, and I want to receive 100 SGD, which is within his range. He can transfer via bank transfer or pay now. Okay, click sell BUSD. Then type in how much you want to sell. There's 2 things you will need to do here. First, you will see that I have 0 BUSD. Why? Because I haven't transferred my BUSD from fiat and spot wallet to peer-to-peer wallet. So simple. Second, I also haven't set up my payment method, so I will need to do that later. For now, let's transfer my BUSD into peer-to-peer wallet first. Click transfer. At the left, click fiat and spot. Click transfer. Here, choose transfer to peer-to-peer wallet. Then choose BUSD. Click match to transfer everything, then confirm. Okay, next, you will need to add your payment method. At the top right side, mouse over your profile icon, click dashboard. Click payment, click add a payment method. The guy just now accepts Pay Now, so I will add my Pay Now. Once you are done, go back to peer-to-peer trading, click sell, click BUSD, choose back the same guy. Enter your amount, then click sell BUSD. Okay, now you will need to wait for the guy to send the money to you. After a few minutes, I received this image. I also went to check my bank account and I saw that I really did receive $100. So let's not send him the crypto, I'll just take the money and run. Just kidding, we don't do that here. Later the police come and catch me. Go back to Binance, click confirm release. Take the confirm, then confirm. Alright, the order is now completed. So that was a quick tutorial on how to buy and sell your cryptos via peer-to-peer. Now, let me share some tips and tricks on using Binance. First, there are lots of scammers in peer-to-peer. Like if you search Reddit, you will see some people getting scammed. To reduce your chances of getting scammed, whenever you choose the other person, make sure that he has completed at least 100 orders. Then try to choose someone that has a very high completion rate, preferably someone above 95%. Second, if you are hodling your cryptos, don't just let it sit there like a lazy bum. Binance has some really good ways to earn interest on your cryptos. In Binance, mouse over Finance, click Binance Earn. For example, if I search for BNB, you will see that I can stake it for 60 days to earn 12.58% interest per annum. But sometimes they have a very low interest for some cryptos like BTC. Third, remember to enable 2FA because it's very easy for hackers to access your account. To do that, at the top right side, mouse over profile, click security, at least enable 2FA for your phone number and email address. So those were some tips and tricks on using Binance. Hopefully, this video helps you out. And that's all for today. Like, share, and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.